Good morning, all of you. My name is Mema Zero. Today I am going to tell you about Sahara Desert. First, let me tell about Sahara Desert location. Sahara Desert is a hot desert. All hot deserts of the world lie between 20 and 30 latitudes along northern and southern hemispheres. The Sahara Desert exists in North Africa, extending from Atlantic Ocean to Red Sea from east to west. This is the largest ocean in the world. Now let us know about their features. It is spread over an area of about 8.5 million square kilometer. It stretches up to the distance of about 5,500 kilometer from east to west, while from north to south it extends over 1,900 kilometer. Sahara Desert exists between the Atlas Mountains and Savanna grasslands in the north and south direction respectively. It covers area in 11 countries in Africa such as Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Tunisia, Sudan, Chad, Mali, Mauritania, Niger, and West Africa. The most important feature of Sahara Desert is its sand, which covers almost one fourth of its area. It is a flat wasteland with no water contents at all. Due to this reason, this desert is also known as El Khela, which means emptiness. Sahara was once a fertile region, unlike today. In the past, it was covered by thick forest. In its Tibesti range, Mount Amikosi is the highest point, located at the height of about 3,415 meters. Many bare rock surfaces up to about 2,400 meters are also found in some parts of this desert. Lake Chad is the only freshwater lake existing there. It is located on the southern border of the desert. Along the fringes of this desert, Nile and Niger river flow. Oases are formed due to underground lying water lakes in this desert. Now let us know about their climatic conditions. Extremely hot and dry climatic conditions prevail over Sahara Desert. This region experiences higher temperature in the world. In 1922, Al Ajia in Libya had recorded the world's highest temperature of about 57.7 degrees Celsius. From north to south, temperature rises and humidity decreases. Skies remain cloudless and clear due to dryness in air. On a winter night, temperature can go below freezing point, while in summer afternoons, temperature can reach up to 55 degrees Celsius. In summers, bare rocks are heated up and sand become loose. Amount of rainfall differs in different regions. The Sahara Desert does not receive even 5 centimeter rainfall per annum. Now let us know about their flora and fauna. Due to absence of rain and lack of fertile soil, vegetation is almost negligible in Sahara Desert. Only certain kinds of plants having the necessary adaptive attributes like lawn roots and waxy and leathery leaves are able to grow in such an environment. Cactus, Acacia, baobab, and dead palms are some main plant species found here. Camels, hyenas, and foxes, scorpions, snakes, and lizards are some important fauna representatives in this desert. People and economic activities. Nomadic tribes like and Bedouins and Tuaregs are found in Sahara Desert region. Cattle rearing is the main occupation here. Sheep, goat, and camels are the main animals reared in this region. These animals are reared for milk, meat, and hides. Clothes, carpets, mats, and blankets are made by the hair of these animals. Nomadic tribes live in temporary tents. They wander from one place to another in search of pasture, the grazing land, and water. They wear particular kind of dresses which protect them from the warm kinds of winds and dust storms. People wear the oasis area are cultivators and herdsmen. In Egypt, people live settled life along Nile Valley region due to the presence of Nile River. Rice, wheat, maize, barley, and cotton are the various crops grown here. Main occupations followed by people in this region are agriculture, local trading, and herding. Camel is the most important animal of Sahara Desert. It is mainly reared for milk, meat, and fur and skin. Algeria, Libya, and Egypt are some important countries found around the Sahara Desert where oil wells have been discovered in recent years. Natural gas, iron ore, copper, and manganese are some important minerals found in this region. Hospitals, schools, cultural regional centers are the superhighways are some modern facilities which have been developed in these cities. Aeroplane is the most important means of transport which makes all regions of Sahara Desert accessible. Trans Sahara Railway construction is a recent project. Due to rapid development of the cities, different tribal people are migrating there for a better life. Thank you.